All right, YouTube, if you have an SI and you want to upgrade your subwoofer, so this is a sedan, but if you have a coupe, same thing. This rear deck right here pops off. Then we got to get our subwoofer out, and I'll show you which bracket you need. So you take your pry tool right on these edge, and you just start sliding it down. It's going to release these two, and now we got to get the back two. And there we go. And we got 4/8 or Phillips screws that have to come out. All right, so our sub is out with those 4 screws. That last one is real tight. This is what I got it out with. I sell these at Harbor Freight or Amazon. Then I got my standard Honda connector. Just pinch at the sides, pull down, and our subwoofer comes out. You will see that we have plenty of space here, but then this narrows in, so we have to make sure that the sub we pick will work. So the old sub comes out, the bracket goes down. Now we need to shave some of this metal. We're just gonna bend it out of the way so that we can put the new sub right on top. You gotta cut the metal and bend it out of the way. So we did 2 little slits, and now the pliers, you lock them on and you just bend the corners and you bend the edges. And then you want to put something on this bent metal so that it's not going to cut anybody or anything. All right, so you have to trim this rear piece, otherwise the sub won't sit flush. And you can use a flush cutter or whatever cutter you have. A razor blade will work. It's enough. It's not thick plastic. It's just, you do want to watch these. These are the mounting tabs. Then you just got to tighten down all the screws. It's 8 of them all around the outside. And then the cap goes right back on. And it's like you never did it. The only thing I will warn you about is this is rattling like crazy now. So we're going to throw some sound deadening back here to stop the rattle. So here you can see we have the trunk sound deaden. It's not a ton, but it's enough to stop any of that rattling. And then if you're looking for the bracket we used in the video, it's right here. We sell it on our website, AccuraAudioGarage.com. Has the 4 mounting ears and then the 8 screw holes for the kicker sub. This is designed for the kicker sub. If you use a different sub, it may work, may not work, so keep that in mind.